Curved roads look complicated, but they're actually simple. Add a path curve. Resize and position it. Now select your road object and add a curve modifier. Pick the path curve. Align the road properly. Next, add an array modifier. Arrange the modifier order. Increase the count to extend the road. And just like that, you're done. Simple, clean, effective. Don't forget, enjoy.